Have you ever had a week where everything felt upside down? Like the world forgot to smile and the sun forgot to shine? This is the story of a little girl named Maya, of rainy days, of brave feelings, and of a journal that helped her heart glow again. In a quiet neighborhood where birds chirped through the mist, lived 9-year-old Maya. She loved painting wild rainbows, kicking muddy soccer balls, and giggling with her best friend on the school bus. But this week, her soccer team lost every game. Her school picnic was canceled. And worst of all, her best friend moved far, far away. Everything felt gray, empty. One afternoon, Maya curled up by the window and whispered, "Why is everything going wrong?" Just then, her grandma entered with a kind smile, and something glowing in her hand, a small, sky-blue notebook, with a golden sun on the cover. "This," Grandma said, "is your positivity journal, a little book of light, to help you find the joy hiding inside sad days." Maya opened the journal, and what she found was not just paper and ink. It was the beginning of a magical journey. Inside the first page were 3 bold lines. "I am brave and strong. I can handle anything. Every day brings something good." They were called affirmations, powerful words you say out loud, to remind your heart of its strength. Maya felt silly, but she stood in front of the mirror and whispered the words. And something strange happened. Her frown faded. A tiny smile grew. The words were working, like little sparks of magic. Affirmation, saying strong, positive words to lift your heart. The next day, Maya was painting a beautiful rainbow, but, oops, her elbow knocked her juice. Right over the page. She gasped. She frowned. She wanted to cry. But her journal had a note. "Ask yourself, what's one good thing about this?" Maya blinked, then whispered, "Maybe I get to make a cooler rainbow now." And she did. That's called reframing, flipping a sad thought into a hopeful one. Reframing, finding a new way to look at a problem. One evening, Maya lost her favorite pencil. Her chest tightened. She felt so frustrated. Her journal showed a leafy green tree and a rhyme. "Smell the flower, blow out the candle." She closed her eyes, inhaled slowly, exhaled gently, again and again. Her shoulders relaxed. Peace returned. That's called belly breathing, a quiet superpower for a noisy heart. Belly breathing, taking deep breaths to calm your body and mind. It rained the next afternoon. Maya stared out the window and cried. She missed her best friend. She told her mom, "I miss her, it hurts so much." Her mom hugged her and said, "It's okay to feel sad. I'm proud of you for saying it." Later, Maya wrote in her journal, "Today I named my feeling, and it helped me heal." That's called emotional courage, bravery of the heart. That night, her journal sparkled with a new task. "Write 3 things that made you smile today." She thought, then smiled. A classmate shared her crayons. "I jumped in the rain puddles." Grandma made cinnamon tea. She added a firefly sticker beside each one. That's called gratitude, thankfulness for the little lights in our day. At school, Maya had a new idea. She brought sparkle star stickers to class. Every time someone helped a friend, or smiled after a mistake, or said something kind, they got a sticker. Her teacher loved it. Soon the whole class joined in. That's called sharing your light, spreading joy like warm sunlight. At home, Maya opened the last few pages. They were blank, but at the top, it read, "What does your bright future look like?" So Maya made a vision board. She glued pictures of sunshine, books, smiling kids, and drew her dream. A magical school where everyone learns how to stay kind and strong. That's called creating your vision, letting your imagination lead the way. One night, Maya looked up at the stars. She whispered, "Grandma, What if the sadness never goes away? Grandma held her close and said, "Even when the sky is dark, the stars are still there. Just because you can't see them doesn't mean they're gone." Maya closed her eyes and smiled, because she knew, even on hard days, her light was still inside her. She just had to remember to look. Days passed. The rain still came. Mistakes still happened. But Maya was different now. She smiled more. She helped more. She noticed more good things than ever before, because the positivity journal had helped her grow from the inside out. Staying positive doesn't mean pretending everything is perfect. It means choosing to see the good, even when things feel tough, just like Maya did. And just like you can, too. Let's remember the new words we learned. Affirmation, saying strong words that lift your heart. Reframing, turning a problem into a possibility. Belly breathing, calming your thoughts with deep breaths. Emotional courage, speaking your truth even when it hurts. Gratitude, thankfulness for small joys. Kindness, sharing your light with others. Vision, imagining a bright, hopeful future.
So now, what made you smile today? Write it in your own positivity journal and let your light shine.